Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Adam Caniglione with MarineMax Lake Wylie. Today we have on display the 2025 Sea Ray 260 SLX Outboard. This boat's featured with our white 300 horsepower Mercury Verado engine, and you can barely hear it. This engine is running right now. Now as we're on our sunpad here, lots of storage. I'm going to highlight one of the key areas right now. Enormous space that goes all the way through into the cockpit, perfect for skis, tubes, whatever you might want to hold. We do have a cooler area in the back here as well. Now, as we walk into the cockpit here, we've got our Fusion stereo controls as well as your charging ports here. We do have our doggy door here if you've got pets or kids on board. This is a perfect area here for everybody to stow their shoes, so you don't have to clean that sea deck too frequently. Now, as you come on board here, you can see the U-shaped seating. All seats from the passenger seat to the helm chair are adjustable, so this is one big configuration, perfect for socializing. One feature I do want to point out here is your tower switches. So this power tower is going to come all the way down. Now, I know you're not going to use it all that often, but this is perfect for those rainy days. You can lower this down as well as close off the whole cockpit compartment along with the windshield as well. It really does help stave off that rain. Now on our binnacle here, we can see that we've got our Mercury DTS with active trim. All of our features from our wipers, horns, and our windlass anchoring system to the Lenco trim tabs. So no matter what the conditions, you're in great shape. We've got our dual 9-inch Simrads. We'll go over that when you come take a look at the boat in person. All the way up into the bow here, plenty of seating, extremely comfortable. All your friends are going to be comfortable. Again, windlass anchor system. And I think that's just about it for today's presentation, but we hope you can come on out and see us. Again, my name is Adam with MarineMax Lake Wylie at 803-831-2101. Thank you.